BMF Catch Challenge has been an exciting opportunity to interact and help solve the analytic problems that other participants and stakeholders face when planning and implementing mobility solutions in Kuala Lumpur. During this event, we've used Geospot TV as a data fusion platform to work with the data providers to break barriers that stifle innovation due to the lack of data availability, and therefore delivering use cases that before were thought impossible.
On behalf of Team Geospot, I would like to thank Toyota Mobility Foundation, the organizer and stakeholders, for giving us this opportunity to participate in a global challenge that solves mobility for all challenges for the residents in Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia. This journey has been fruitful and a chance to work with world-class teams to apply Geospot technology for social good, enabling sustainable digital economy and shared prosperity.
It's been a pleasure dealing with the team, the Catch organising team, and with the partners, particularly DBKL, MDEC and Prasarana. And I'm very happy to say that as we approach the final stage, our MVP is in place. We're increasing the number of parking spaces across Kuala Lumpur by the day. We have our boxes, our devices, which we created as part of this challenge in Prasarana park and ride sites and in a couple of DBKL car parks. And we have successfully managed to ingest the third-party or some of the third-party data sets that were provided to power our suggestion engine for Kuala Lumpur commuters, giving them more parking options around the city.
We deploy our AI-powered perception systems in city fleet vehicles such as transit buses for autonomous traffic enforcement. These devices have two-way communication with our intelligent cloud and mapping layers that act as a super sensor, providing the device with complete spatial awareness and the ability to see and reason in 3D. Bus lane and bus stop obstructions slow down buses, which make them less reliable. So cities like Kuala Lumpur are launching Clear Lane initiatives aimed at improving bus speeds. As buses speed up, they become more reliable. As reliability improves, more people use the bus, which not only increases ridership, but also reduces operating costs, congestion, and pollution. Whether it is to help get essential workers to their jobs quicker or make your city streets safer, Hayden AI can help improve the quality of life for all of KL's citizens.
Every day, residents of our cities face challenges as they move around, get to work, and engage with their communities. A well-planned city with an integrated transportation system has significant positive impacts on our daily lives. The Catch program aims to prevent the congestion that is choking our cities. By using data to firstly understand the problems and then to implement data-driven solutions, we can make city planning more effective and responsive to the continually changing needs of its residents. At Liftango, we use rich, real-time data and artificial intelligence to continually optimise the way people use public transport based on their actual movements and needs.
In Malaysia, 70% of pedestrian fatalities have been attributed to carelessness and illegal crossings. But how can we say these environments are designed appropriately for humans if they result in these fatalities? We can't. Numina helps urban planners and mobility providers understand how to better design streets and services for people, for pedestrians, bicyclists, and transit riders. We measure street-level activity and provide unprecedented and completely anonymous insights about how they use streets. We'll align with the Kuala Lumpur Structured Plan 2040 and the region's ambitions of becoming an IoT development hub by deploying our sensors and opening Numina data as part of a developer platform. This will accelerate innovation locally and spur the development of dynamic and connected, safe and efficient mobility solutions in KL. Kuala Lumpur can pioneer with this first-of-its-kind data utility to attract and spur mobility innovation and enhance accessibility as a city for all.
Mobility for all requires reimagining ways to collaborate, accelerate, and connect informed solutions that have the most impact for the most people. We know that more sustainable, equitable, accessible, and appealing mobility solutions can completely transform the lives of the people in the city of all ages and all abilities, even their health and economic outcomes. And now we need to figure out how to get there from here. Run With It Synthetics created Synthetic KL to make a difference, a living lab, a complete geospatially accurate recreation of Kuala Lumpur and its people for planners, researchers, stakeholders, to get together and rapidly explore and implement choices they're considering, and then watch who, why, how, when, and where the people of Synthetic KL respond. This is accelerated, effective, calculated steps to achieve mobility for all. Run With It Synthetics, Synthetic Kuala Lumpur.
I very much want to thank all the participants for all your submissions. I think we really learned a lot during the course of this contest. Not only the finalists, but also all of you who participated. We were very grateful for your sharing your innovations and your ideas, whether it's from mapping to traffic violations, parking supply, optimizing routes, machine learning. These are all key technologies that will help power the mobility for all megacities of the future. And it is my belief that automated mobility for all is something that will be a reality within a couple of years. And I really believe all the solutions that were shared today will somehow build into a better quality of life tomorrow for all of us and all of our citizens. So thank you so much for participating, and I'm looking forward to the winning entry.
At MDEC, we are the advocate of positive changes, enabler of opportunities. Our agenda is Malaysia 5.0, enabling a nation that is deeply integrated with technology, providing equitable digital opportunities to the people and businesses. The goal of Catch certainly resonates with this, realizing data-driven solutions and pervasively deploy data technology to not only empower the digital economy of Malaysia, but also drive innovation towards efficient, innovative, secure and sustainable cities. It will play its part in ensuring the success of our journey towards being 4th IR ready, in line with the Malaysia Digital Economy Blueprint, as well as enabling Malaysia to become a globally competitive nation, anchored on inclusivity, sustainability and shared prosperity, firmly establishing Malaysia as the heart of digital ASEAN.
When we were designing Catch, or City Architecture for Tomorrow Challenge, we had an image that data was the key to enable better city planning and design, smoothen traffic flow, and fundamentally deliver mobility for all. We would move into an era where data-driven decision-making could create a far more robust and fact-based methodology for mobility management. Thanks to our partners Deloitte Future of Mobility Center, we have also been able to conduct the entire program virtually, with great support from the Malaysian and Kuala Lumpur governments that have allowed us to even implement on-site and ensure that we have local understanding and requirements that were met. We received 90 excellent entries for the challenge, and we brought them down to 16 semi-finalists and then 6 wonderful finalists that are all unique, professional, and truly cutting edge. We're very pleased to say that our finalists embody all of these foundational principles and are going to deliver a long-lasting and significant solution to the residents of the wonderful city of Kuala Lumpur. Thank you all for tuning in and for your support for this program. Thank you.
Catch, your city architecture of tomorrow.